Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to CourseMate channel. Another tutorial. So in this tutorial will be interesting because we will learn about numerical differentiation. There are three types here. So there are three types here, like forward, backward, and central. So we have at first we have to remember those three formulas for the forward, backward, and central. Here you go, the three formulas you have to remember. And another thing is you have to find xi plus 1 and xi minus 1, and you will find this by this formula, sorry, by these two formula. Okay, so you have to also remember these two formula. Let's check a mathematical problem. First of all, we have to write the formula. Like, I want to start with forward. So f prime xi equals to f of xi plus 1 minus f of xi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi. First of all, we have to find these, and these. So you can see in the question, you can see the initial xi is 3 and the step size is 0.1. So initial case xi is 3 and step size h is 0.1. So xi plus 1 will be 3 plus, xi plus h, that means 3 plus 0.1, that is 3.1. So f of xi plus 1 will be 3.1 square, that will be 9.61, and f of xi is 3 square, that is 9. By putting those values here, we can see 9.61 minus 9 divided by 3.1 minus 0.1. Sorry. At 3.1 minus 3. So what will be the answer? Let's check. 9.61 minus 9 divided by 3.1 minus 3. That is 6.1. Okay. So this is the answer of forward difference. Okay. Now the backward. So the formula is f prime xi equals to f of xi minus f of xi minus 1 divided by xi minus 1. We know that xi is 3 and h is 0.1. So xi minus 1 will be 3 minus 0.1. Xi minus h, that is 3 minus 0.1. So it will be 2.9. So f of xi minus 1 will be 2.9 squared. That is 8.41. Okay. Now put those values. Like f of xi, we know that f of xi is 9. So 9 minus f of xi minus 1, we know this is 8.41. And xi is 3 and xi minus 1 is 2.9. Let's check the answer. 9 minus 8.41 divided by 3 minus 2.9. The answer is 5.9. So this is the answer of backward difference. Now for the central difference. The formula of central difference is f prime xi equals to, and that is f of xi plus 1 minus f of xi minus 1 divided by 2 into h. We know f of xi plus 1 is what? We know that f of xi plus 1 is 9.61 and f of xi minus 1, this is 8.41. Now put those values here. We know h is 0.1 always. 9.61 minus 8.41 divided by 2 into 0.1. So the answer will be 9.61 minus 8.41 divided by 2 into 0.1. The answer is 6. So the answer of central difference is 6. By doing this thing, you can do any kind of math of the numerical differentiation of forward, backward, and central difference. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something from this. Thank you so much.